Hello, humans. I'm Kyle, and I'm gonna make a movie, actual movie that goes really in theaters. It might be a decade or 5. Once I save up enough money, once I get the skills from school, I'll make a movie about Fluffyville, and it'll be amazing. You might not think it, but I will think, and it'll make me super happy. And I'm trying to make other people smile too. Oh, I broke this thing by accident. It's so sad. Sorry, Cheryl. Throw it away. And so, let me. Well, let me give you updates about Fluffyville. Stay still! Thank you. Pacing my room, I will tell you. As I'm pacing the universe, I shall tell you about the updates on Fluffyville. I wrote almost two entire books about Fluffyville. Let me explain it to you. Book 1, it explains many things, including let me look at the book. Okay, so basically it's just, the main thing about the book is explaining metals. That's the first book is like only 60 pages. It explains metals and the geology and culture of the Twom, which means the world of misspelling. Twom is TWOM. Twom. I'm gonna say Twom now. Twom. Okay. So basically, I'm saying basically a lot. Sorry. I don't sound very confident when I say But fun fact about psychology: stop saying and basically in filler words, because it makes you seem less confident and chill. You know what I mean? That's just psychology. So cool. Anyways, what's that? What's that, man? Stop being distracted. Okay. So yeah, there's a bunch of medals. I will show you the medals in a short, after this video today. The newest short, is gonna be the medals. It's gonna be 3 minutes long, probably. Be patient, okay? And so, the second book is so much bigger, so much more. It explains culture. I would publish all these books, including the actual book, Fluffyville, 'Tis a Story to Be Told, which I never showed you actually. I'll publish all these books. I'm an author. I'm an author. I'm an author. Yeah. What happened here? Why is this like this? Odd. It used to have a covering. Now it's all soft and wet. And get leaves on it. Fit on my diddle. Oh look, leaves. It's so beautiful out. I'm not in. Okay. Dingus. Anyways, there's a bunch of minerals, gemstones, and ores waiting to be explained. The society. Fluffy society is interesting. That's all I know. Oh yeah, there's currently tension being made for between the. I'm heavily distracted. I'm not editing this either. Actually, I should, because I have to put them together either way. So I hope like my garden. It's actually my dad's garden. I didn't help him at all. My grandpa, ignore the weed. That's legal, by the way, very legal. Well, not illegal, it's legal. Because I live in Illinois. Shut up. Stick. Stick. So yeah, oh, oops, almost slipped. Hope you like grass. Yeah, this video is, I'm gonna like advertise this video as relaxing it will look, while also being a fluffy show video. So tension is rising between the American fluffies and the non-American fluffies. What I mean by American is that they're not from America. They believe in the American spirit. And so onions. They support America. And most of them, they don't believe in like politics. They do believe in politics. They believe in capitalism. They're not like Antifa. They're not liberal or conservative. They're just Americans, just pure American. You know what I mean? Why is this on the ground? Stupido. I hope that means stupid. I don't know what that actually means. And ooh, look at this. Look at this. I call this Ferntopia with the broken bench and the ferns. Ooh, bugs, my favorite thing. Just kidding, I hate bugs. Oh no, the path is blocked. Guess we have to sit down, because the path is blocked. I can't go past this block. No, I'm leaving the bugs doing the bugs. Let me pause and let me think what I'm gonna say. Well, look at that tiny critter. Is that a spider or a monster? Oh yeah, I wrote down about 200 different organisms in my second book. It's called, yeah. I can't name them all off the top of my head because there's like 200 of them. But I can name one called the chalk stalker. A big 12-foot cave monster with 2 legs and did a, what the hell? Just throw his phone in the water, that'd be crazy. Anyways. Oops, that was an accident. Yeah, it doesn't eat humans. It bends its chalk-like head, giant chalk-sized head, against the cave walls to get out slit worms. Slit worms hide in the slits of caves, and yeah. There's also this. I'll explain to you the cave biome. There's also this apex predator called the gasser. My grandpa said it was like me because I fart a lot. He says a gasser. I'm the gasser. I'm not a gas. I'm not shaped like a gasser. I don't have a big gas bag in the back of my head. And I'm not 6 feet tall either. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I'm not done with it. Oh, look, a stick. Hopefully this will grasp your attention more. Oh, never mind. I dropped it. Oh look, this looks like the hand of my apex predator of the beach. I forget what it's called. Also, I made a creature called the Tusaroo. The something Tusaroo. The something is like an animal name. I think it's called the beet Tusaroo. The mixture. Oh shit! It was a mixture of a beetle, a cactus, and a kangaroo, aka the beet Tusaroo. Don't ask. People say I'm very handsome. Actually, I say that. But my hair is very nice. Okay, enough blowing. Look at this stick. It's so small. Look at the details. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 little knobs. Put it right here. Nope, it fell. Now you get a sky view and my head. What is this? That's odd. There's a thing here in my acorn pile, or whatever you call this. Pine cones, yeah. Oh yeah, Professor Aaron, he made a thing called clockwork birds. Giant birds that look like clocks. He made the boombox bird, the sci-fi birds. So basically I learned about world building. It's basically, there's 8 pillars. Look up the 8 pillars of world building. So basically, I basically completed all of them. Now I just gotta make a movie. I have to hire a co-director, dozens of actors. I have to make costumes. I have to have costume designers, because God forbid we don't have surrealistic looking monsters, aka creatures, aka fluffies. Or CGI is too expensive. I'm hiring a cheap costume designer, art designer, maybe some CGI, not a lot. It's gonna take years and years. Not years and years, hopefully like some years, you know. Why is this in here? This axe should not be in the wood, it's gonna rust. I don't want to show an axe on screen, because I don't know what YouTube's, I just don't know. No, there's nothing wrong with the axe. Here's an axe. I'm putting it right there for safekeeping. It's like a safe keep. Or a keepsake, I mean. What the heck is a keepsake? If I cover the microphone, if I do this to the microphone, it makes a weird noise, maybe. Oh. The sun is very bright. If you listen closely, there's actually berries. And my feet. This video is probably gonna be like 20 minutes long. Have you seen those videos of people farting or putting fart spray in the air, the big air costumes, like the costumes, the blow up costumes, and then they're like, get me out of here, you know? That's funny. Most people don't know what Fluffyville is. I wish they did. Well, most people would be more than 50% of 8 billion people, which is a lot. So maybe not that much, because I would get a lot of hate. Because, you know, especially if they're all like little boys. Not little boys. Like my age boys. They probably hate it. Because they're mean. I'm not trying to stereotype teenage boys, you know? I still see your shadows in my room. I think I should end the video. Wait. I'll make another video about the 4 elemental stones. That'll be the next video. No, I'll make a video right now. Pause. Let's sit down. The 4 elemental stones. 30 years after 'tis a story to be told. Yeah. 4 elemental stones. I'll make a story about that. No. I'm tired right now. I'll show you later. Thank you for watching Omega Infotainment. I hope you learned or were entertained. Have an Omega day.